Importing requirements into Valispace has never been easier now with our new import function. Imagine you received an Excel file with a bunch of requirements that describe your product that you would like to import into Valispace. For this, we head into the requirements module and we're going to select our import functionality icon. This brings us right into the import wizard. Here we either select a pre-existing specification or we're going to create a new specification based on the requirements that we would like to import. In the same step, we can also already select a component that is going to be associated to the requirements. And once we click continue, we simply drag and drop our file into this box, and Valispace is going to tell us that the upload was successful. In the next step, we have to map out the fields that exist in the Excel file, which are shown down here, to the fields that exist in Valispace. And Valispace has already automatically identified that the identifier column of the Excel file can be mapped to the identifier column inside of Valispace. But for the second map here, we can see that there's still mapping to be done. We can see that the description, which describes the requirement, should be mapped to the text field inside of Valispace. For the type, the mapping is done, for the state as well, and as well for the verification method. So let's go ahead and import these requirements. And once the import is done, we can actually check for values. So we can check if there are possible values and units inside of these requirements. And Valispace actually found 6 values that we can valify. So let's go ahead and transform these text values into actual references that we can use for verification and validation. Once we close this, you can see that all of the requirements have been imported with the right fields. And we can see that now we have them referenced with the values that we want. And the verification method is already applied with our product and the corresponding verification method. So now, whenever you are horrified about receiving a big list of requirements in Excel, you can simply and quickly import them with this new feature.